tissue boxes can be found in virtually any home or office. And though printed to look nice, they rarely match any decor. But your CNC can make a cover in any style you wish using just a couple of standard router bits. The design calls for the parts to be milled to look like frame and panel. Normally, all of the internal work on the parts would be done before cutting them out. But in this case, we can speed the process by eliminating one of the tool changes. The panels on the parts are simulated by using a pocketing toolpath. This is a straightforward process using the 75102 1/4-inch up spiral bit. And since we'll be using the same bit for the through cutting operations, we'll do them now, rather than waiting until after the carving. Carving the bottom of the panels is relatively light machining, so it can be done later as long as the parts are held in place using some reasonably sized tabs. Now, without unclamping the part from the spoil board, change the bit to a ball nose for the carving. The simulated panel sections can be carved with any pattern that you wish. Many CAD/CAM programs allow for random texturing of flat surfaces, and that's what's being used here. The texturing is all done with a 72101 1/4-inch spiral ball nose bit. The same process and the same bits are used for milling the sides of the box. And again, substantial tabs are left behind during the through cutting operations in order to hold the parts in place for the carving. This requires only one tool change, but you will need to make 2 sets of the side parts. And don't be afraid to get creative with this project. You don't have to use texturing on the simulated panels. There's plenty of room there to carve graphics, letters, or words if you choose. Now all the parts can be disconnected from the waste, sanded smooth, mitered, assembled, and finished just like any box, and displayed proudly in your home, office, or even your workshop.